Hello, it's Yvonne the Weird AI Lady again, standing in for Robert. Now, why do you work as a freelance translator? Because you love languages. Because you want to foster communication between different people. There are many reasons, but one reason we all have in common is that we do it to earn a living, which means we need to get paid. Show me the money. That is a movie reference. So how do you get paid? Let's get into it. First of all, let's say you have a first-time client. My advice is to ask for a prepayment of a certain percentage or amount just to show goodwill, or even milestone payments, which are a partial payment as you deliver parts of the project. Remember, you may be so happy you have a client, you forget that they might disappear without paying you. Along those lines, remember to always ask for the company contact details before you get started. You shouldn't be working for someone behind an anonymous Gmail address. Great. But how do you actually get the money? Well, there are several methods. Some websites offer escrow. If this is available, always take it. Escrow means the website collects the money from the client beforehand and only delivers it to you once you've completed the job. This way, both sides are held accountable. Upwork offers escrow, by the way, so if you use Upwork, be sure to take advantage of this. Otherwise, PayPal is probably the most common payment method. If you are able to get a PayPal account, you should do so. This also allows you to accept credit card payments, which some companies like. Remember, PayPal does charge a percentage for each transaction. If you deal with US companies, apps like Venmo, Zelle, and Cash App are convenient too. Payoneer is another method, popular for those who cannot get PayPal accounts. Payoneer also charges a percentage, although it tends to be lower than PayPal. However, it will also charge your account if it is not active, around $29.95 per year as of this recording. Another method is Pros.com's native payment system. Check out the interview on this channel with Epiphan, a translator from Benin, who talks about how Pros.com's payment system was a life changer for translators like him. The final method is bank transfer. The current best method for this seems to be Wise.com. I myself use it regularly. It basically pools many international transactions, thereby getting a better rate than any individual bank-to-bank transfer. However, this means it can sometimes take a few days, and you also need to enter in quite a bit of information, your bank information and the recipient's bank information. And that's about it. My recommendation is to sign up for as many of these as you can. You want to make it as easy as possible for people to pay you, so the more options you have, the better. Yay! Getting paid. Also, are you sick of me yet? Do you want another AI person? We could try rotating these avatars. Anyway, sa vedum.